Yes, I finally cracked and got myself an instant Vortex VersaZone air fryer, which I'm really pleased with. And the first thing I've done is roasted some chicken that was stuffed with some rice, dried fruit, mixed nuts and spices. So all you need to do is soak your rice for 10 minutes in boiling water, sweat your onions down, add your nuts, add your spices, add the soaked rice to that. Add the water, pop a lid on and cook this for 10 minutes and let it rest for 10 minutes. Then you're going to chop up your dried fruit. I'm using some figs that I preserved, the green ones, and also some red dates that I dried out from Cyprus. And then add some lemon zest to the rice, get the dried fruit in there, give it a good mix. Then you're going to get yourself a decent chicken, stuff the cavity with this beautiful rice mix, and then set your air fryer for 160 degrees at roast. Get it in the tray, and look at the size of this tray. It's amazing. I'll be doing lots of interesting recipes in this one. Drizzle with olive oil, black pepper and salt, get water in there, and then pop it in the air fryer. Set the timer for 1 hour and let this roast. After an hour, I didn't touch it. You can see how roasted and delicious that was. I'm going to make a flavoured oil with some oregano flowers, or you could use dried oregano, garlic, salt. Heat that up and then get the chicken out. Get some of those juices over the chicken, glaze it and season it up with the oil. And then all that's left to do is to carve the chicken, and this will comfortably serve 4 people. And I served it with some wilted cabbage and courgettes. Get it on the plate, add a good amount of that fragrant, delicious rice, and then get the glaze over the top and enjoy.